Now I'll show you how to optimize your Google Snippet. So this is meta title and meta description on the page. So you will need to go to online store pages and pick a page you want to edit, and scroll down and click Edit Website SEO. And now you will be able to edit meta title. It can be different than a title visible on the website. So you can add a little bit longer title, up to 70 characters. So you can put about us, why we started our business, and in meta description you can put something like that: read more about our business, how we can help you pick the right yoga mat, and what makes us better than competitors. Read now. So I added call to action at the end. So this is something that prompts people to click and shop, and obviously or read the content. And obviously I added some information what they can find on this page. So if you're happy with it, simply click save.